FIM-92 Stinger, Short-Range Air Defense Missile. The FIM-92 Stinger is an American surface-to-air missile (SAM) system that serves as a portable air defense system, manpads, utilizing infrared homing technology. It is capable of being deployed from various ground vehicles and helicopters, known as the Air-to-Air Stinger, ATAS. Introduced in 1981, this system is utilized by the armed forces of the United States and 29 other nations. Raytheon Missiles and Defense is the primary manufacturer of the Stinger, while Airbus Defense and Space in Germany and Roketsan in Turkey produce it under license. The FIM-92 Stinger is a shoulder-fired surface-to-air missile system designed for single-operator use, although it is typically operated by a team consisting of a chief and a gunner. It was developed to replace the FIM-43 red-eye system, offering the advantage of acquiring targets head-on, which allows more time to track and destroy them. The FIM-92B missile can also be launched from the M1097 Avenger and the M6 Linebacker vehicles. Additionally, there is an airborne variant known as the Air-to-Air Stinger, ATAS, specifically designed for helicopter deployment. The missile measures 5.0 feet, 1.52 meters in length and has a diameter of 2.8 in, 70 millimeters, featuring 3.9 in, 100 millimeters fins. The weight of the missile itself is 22 pounds, 10.1 kilograms, while the complete assembly, including the launch tube, integral sight, gripstock, and identification friend or foe (IFF) antenna, weighs approximately 34 pounds, 15.2 kilograms. It has an effective targeting range of up to 4,800 m and can engage low-altitude threats at distances of up to 3,800 m. Launch of the Stinger is facilitated by a small ejection motor, which propels the missile to a safe distance from the operator before the main two-stage solid fuel sustainer takes over, accelerating it to a maximum speed of Mach 2.54, 750 meters per second. The warhead contains 1.02 kilograms, 2.25 pounds of HTA-3 explosive, a mixture of HMX, TNT, and aluminum powder, equipped with an impact fuse and a self-destruct timer set to activate 17 seconds after launch. To initiate the missile launch, a battery coolant unit, BCU, is inserted into the gripstock. This device consists of high-pressure gaseous argon that cools the seeker to the operating temperature and a thermal battery that powers the target acquisition. A single BCU provides power and coolant for approximately 45 seconds, requiring a replacement if the missile has not been fired within that time frame. The BCUs are sensitive to mistreatment and have a limited shelf life due to argon leakage. The IFF system is powered by a rechargeable battery integrated into the IFF interrogator box, which connects to the base of the gripstock's pistol grip. Initially, the missile uses proportional navigation for guidance, but it switches to a different mode that directs it towards the target's airframe rather than its exhaust plume. There are three primary variants of the Stinger in use: the Stinger Basic, Stinger Passive Optical Seeker Technique, POST, and Stinger Reprogrammable Microprocessor, RMP. These correspond to the FIM-92A, FIM-92B, and FIM-92C models, respectively, and subsequent variations. The POST and RMP variants incorporate a dual detector seeker that includes both infrared, IR, and ultraviolet, UV, capabilities. This enables better discrimination between targets and countermeasures compared to the red-eye and FIM-92A, which only utilize IR. Modern flares may have an IR signature similar to the engine exhaust of the launching aircraft, but the UV signature of flares and jet engines remains distinguishable. The Stinger RMP earns its name from the ability to update its software by inserting a new ROM chip into the gripstock at the depot. In the event of a failed download during power-up, the missile can still operate using the onboard ROM for basic functionality. The 4-processor RMP variant has 4 kilobytes of RAM allocated to each processor. Since the downloaded code runs from RAM, there is. Introduction. The FIM-92 Stinger is an American-made short-range air defense missile. Designed as a portable system, this missile provides effective defense against enemy aircraft and helicopters. The Stinger is known for its lightweight and portable nature, as well as its high accuracy and impressive range. Design and features. The FIM-92 Stinger is a portable system, making it easy and quick to deploy. The missile is carried on a shoulder-launched platform and mounted on a launcher. The missile itself extends up to approximately 1.5 meters and is typically equipped with a thermal imaging system. This thermal imaging system allows for effective targeting and tracking of airborne threats. Guidance system. The Stinger missile utilizes an infrared seeker for guidance. The infrared seeker detects the heat signature emitted by the target aircraft or helicopter and locks onto it. This enables the missile to track the target accurately, even in challenging environments such as low visibility or electronic countermeasures. Performance and range. The Stinger missile is highly regarded for its impressive performance and range. It has a maximum range of approximately 8 kilometers, 5 miles, and can engage targets at altitudes ranging from a few meters above the ground to several thousand meters in the air. The missile's speed allows for rapid engagement, ensuring a quick response to incoming threats. Warhead and lethality. The Stinger missile is equipped with a high-explosive warhead designed to destroy or disable the target upon impact. The warhead is triggered by a proximity fuse, which detonates the explosive payload when it detects it is within close proximity to the target. This lethal combination ensures a high probability of success in neutralizing airborne threats. Operational use. The FIM-92 Stinger has been widely deployed by various military forces around the world. It has proven its effectiveness in numerous conflicts and has become a staple in air defense systems. The portable nature of the Stinger allows for flexible deployment in different terrains and scenarios, making it a valuable asset for ground forces. Conclusion. The FIM-92 Stinger is a highly capable short-range air defense missile system. Its lightweight and portable design, coupled with its advanced guidance system, impressive range, and lethal warhead, make it a formidable weapon against enemy aircraft and helicopters. The Stinger's successful operational history speaks to its reliability and effectiveness in protecting ground forces and critical assets from airborne threats.